Thank you. Library card sign-up month is drawing to a close, and the Grand Rapids Public Library says that it's seen several people stop in for a card. Throughout the month of September, the library has offered limited edition card designs and free keychains to those who sign up for a card. There's also other free swag, and branches are offering drawings for prizes and Schuler book gift cards. 20 coffee shops and bookstores have also been offering discounts this month if you show them your Grand Rapids library card.
We've seen a flood of new cardholders come in just so they can get their hands on that really cool, groovy new library card, the special keychain, and then also stickers, bumper stickers, bookmarks, a variety of bookmarks. That's really bringing people in.
There's still a few more days to take advantage of the promotion. We have the details over at woodtv.com.